Only the really big ones show up on the video. That was a big one. Oh, damn. Ricky, do you see it? Is it cool? Cool. Jeez. Ricky, stop. Stop for a sec. Thank you. It's just constant.
I love the sound.
Yeah, even the thunder's constant. Damn! Bolts. It's a little scary. Just a little bit.
Here comes the rain.
You hear? Is it raining? Oh yeah, I can hear it now. This is what you like, huh?
Yeah. Are you getting the bolts?
I got a couple of them. Are you seeing bolts?
No, I'm just seeing just light.
They're on the other side of the building. So like if we had a window in the dining room, we'd be able to see the bolts, but I see a couple of them. There, I just saw one. I could feel the rain through the window. Is it raining hard? Wow. Wow. And the rain is coming through the window. The couch is getting all wet. I gotta shut the window. Shit. I gotta shut it, Ricky. You can't see the lightning through the window, just through the screen.
Ricky, get in the house.
Oh, oh my God.
I just got that
The
one.
huge, you got that?
Yeah. I
You
got
did
it.
not.
I did. I got that one.
Oh my God, there was a huge bolt that Carrie got, but I was turning around to show me so I could say wave to you and say hi. And I screwed up. Ugh. I want to go over to the outside to the patio. Oh, you can see the rain even
Yeah.
a little bit. Is Ricky standing in the rain?
Ricky, get in the house.
Ricky, you're gonna get us in trouble. Ricky!